Hello everyone. Discuss about the writing task. बेसिकली बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स के डाउट है कि हम इतना अच्छा लिख के आते हैं एग्जाम में और फिर भी हमें हमारे राइटिंग में स्कोर्स कम आते हैं. व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट criteria on the basis of which we are evaluated? Our writing tasks are evaluated. We'll try to learn that today. Basically, I would like to give you a brief overview about it. In the writing part, you will be getting two tasks. आपके पास दो क्वेश्चंस होंगे और आपको दोनों सॉल्व करने जरूरी है. The total time for this kind of questions would be 60 minutes. You have to solve these two questions in 60 minutes. Task 1 would be your report writing for academic, and for general it will be letter writing. And for the task 2, you will be having an essay for which you have to write for at least 250 words. टास्क 1 में आपको 150 वर्ड्स का मिनिमम लिखना है टॉपिक, एंड फॉर टास्क 2 यू हैव टू राइट फॉर एटलीस्ट 250 वर्ड्स, राइट? लेट्स सी द क्राइटेरिया. किसके बेसिस पे हमें बैंड स्कोर मिलते हैं? व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट क्राइटेरिया फॉर द इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ द राइटिंग टास्क? The first and the foremost that you have is task achievement. Second, coherence and cohesion. Third, lexical resource, and the last one is grammatical range and accuracy. What is task achievement? Task achievement का मतलब होता है कि जो भी आपको क्वेश्चन मिला हुआ है वो क्वेश्चन के आपने सारे आंसर्स गिवन हैं या नहीं. Have you mentioned the information correctly and appropriately or not? जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आप दे रहे हो इट शुड बी रिलेटेड टू टॉपिक. एंड जो भी क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा गया है, इफ दे आर आस्किंग व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन, इफ दे आर आस्किंग व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस, जो भी उसका क्वेश्चन है, जो भी उसके डायरेक्टिव्स है, हैव यू मेंशन दैट ऑल? दैट इज व्हाट वी से टास्क अचीवमेंट. नेक्स्ट दैट वी हैव इज कोहेरेंस एंड कोहेजन, व्हिच मींस क्या जो आप इंफॉर्मेशन मेंशन कर रहे हो अपने राइटिंग टास्क 2 में या टास्क 1 में, इज दैट रेलेवेंट, इज दैट क्लियरली स्टेटेड, क्या वो easily understandable है या नहीं? Have you used the correct lexical resources or not, or the cohesive devices that we have, the connectors? Next that we have is lexical resource, which is your vocabulary. Vocabulary should not be repetitive. You have to use the correct words at appropriate places. And the last that we have is grammatical range and accuracy, which means क्या आपके sentences properly framed है या नहीं? Your usage of the grammatics is appropriate or not? So basically this is the criteria that we follow to check your writing task. Each parameter has got 25% of weightage. हर एक parameter की 25% की weightage है. Let's see the judgment response of task 2 specifically. Task 2 में task achievement की जगह आता है आपका task response. Task response मतलब have you developed that idea or not? जो भी question में आपसे पूछा गया है, have you developed that thing or not? आप जो अपने examples या evidences quote कर रहे हो अपने writing task 2 में, is that relevant or not? And third thing जो evaluate होती है, your essay should always cover at least 250 words. Next up we have coherence and cohesion. As I already told you, जो भी आप अपना idea लिखना चाहते हो, whatever the message is, it should be very clear. It should not be like that कि आप घुमा के कुछ चीज लिख रहे हो, you are beating about the bush. No, it should be very clear and fluent. For that we have linking of the ideas. First idea should blend with the next idea. It's not like that कि आप first idea north का लिख रहे हो, second idea आप south का लिख रहे हो. It should be like northwest. Like हर एक idea दूसरे idea के साथ interrelated होना चाहिए. And for that we have proper connectors list. हमारे पास conjunctions होते हैं. We can use that to make a link with the ideas. Next up we have lexical resource. That means आपकी vocabulary. If there is a word, for example, university. University is a word, और अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में बार बार इस यूनिवर्सिटी वर्ड को यूज करना है, you should have proper resources for this. You can write varsity, right? So the range that we have for vocabulary is what we say lexical resource. Don't use the words again and again. It should be having a variety. And the last that we have is grammatical range. हमारी grammar, हमारे sentences, punctuation, everything should be appropriate. Let's have a quick glance at all the parameters that we have for the writing task. Task achievement, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and your grammatical range and accuracy. So make sure next time जब भी आप अपना writing task लिखो, you should keep all these parameters in your mind, that you have to plan your answer according to the question that they're asking. You have to use all the connectors and cohesive devices properly. You have to use the variety of words in your writing task. And lastly, your sentences should be accurate as per the grammar rules. I hope it's clear, everybody. For any more information about the language test that we have, you can contact Oceans Across. Thank you so much for watching.